Are you ready to learn English today?
Yes, I'm ready. It's the perfect day
For English Free Talk. Hello, boys and girls. My name is Sam.
And my name is Lucy. Welcome to English Free Talk.
Did you hear that sound?
That sound is one of our laughing letters. Today's laughing letter is the letter L.
The letter L was laughing, but now it stopped laughing.
I know how to make the letter L laugh again.
How, Lucy?
All we have to do is just tickle the letter L to make it laugh. Tickle, 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 tickle.
Something is coming out of the letter L.
It's a lollipop. Lollipop begins with the letter L. Lollipop. Lollipop begins with the letter L. Let's tickle the letter L again to see if anything else will come out. Tickle, 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 tickle.
It's a lemon. Lemon begins with the letter L.
Lemon.
Lemon begins with the letter L.
Do you want to tickle the letter L again? Okay, here we go. Tickle, 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 tickle. It's a ladybug. Ladybug begins with the letter L. Ladybug. Ladybug begins with the letter L.
I think there is one more thing inside the letter L. Will you help us tickle the letter L one more time? Great.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
It's Lucy. Lucy begins with the letter L.
Lucy.
Hi, Lucy. Lucy begins with the letter L.
That was so much fun. Lollipop, lemon, ladybug, and Lucy are all words that begin with the letter L.
Thanks for your help, everyone. It's time for us to say goodbye for now, but come back soon and help us tickle some more laughing letters. Goodbye.
Bye.
English Free Talk.